Welcome to my juice bar. Welcome to my juice bar. Welcome to my juice bar. Welcome back to the Jamaican Taste Buds Kitchen. My name is Aisha, and today, guys, I got a quick juice video for you. I know sometimes we wake up in the morning and we just don't have the energy to deal with anything. This juice is gonna be an energy blaster and it's gonna get you pumped up for the day. So if you want to know how I put the flavor of love into my recipes, just stay tuned for more. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video and let me know what you think about my recipe today. So these are the ingredients for my energy blaster. I got 6 carrots here, 3 beets or beetroot. I got 2 whole apples. I'm gonna use half of a lemon, and I got about 4 inches of ginger. So what I'll be doing, guys, I'm gonna just peel all these carrots, loaded with lots of fiber, vitamin A, vitamin K, calcium, not only good for the eyes but also good for bone health and skin. And guess what? It contributes to weight loss. Beets or beetroot, loaded with lots of vitamins, lots of minerals, and healthy fats. It minimizes the risk of heart disease and stroke. It also lowers your blood pressure and it also cleanses the blood. You can also cook them and they're super delicious with your meals. So eat up your beets, guys. I remember going to the doctor and they told me when I did my eye test that I had 20/30 vision. Not 20/20, but 20/30 vision. So let that sink in, guys. Eat up your carrots. Apples, loaded with vitamins, fibers, lowers cholesterol, aids in digestion, supports a healthy immune system, and plays a huge role in cancer prevention. Ginger reduces inflammation, calms nausea, reduces sore muscles, arthritis, cancer growth, lowers blood sugar, eases period pain, and helps with indigestion. Wash your fruits properly. Blend your fruits to a pulp. And strain. Okay guys, I'm just gonna strain this again because you know a lot of times extra sediments escape into the juice and you want to have a smooth and delicious juice. So I'm just straining this one more time. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna squeeze the lemon juice into it. And guys, I'm telling you, I prefer to add the whole lemon in it because it gives it a rindy taste, and I love that rindy taste. It's up to you, you don't have to do that. And then I'm just gonna add some sugar. And then just mix. And guys, with the ginger, the lemon, a little bit of sugar, oh my god, it's gonna be one of the most refreshing, energizing juices you've ever had. And guys, remember that the beets, it's good to purify the blood, and all the other fruits work together to help to keep you healthy. The carrots are good for your eyes and your skin. Yep, apples is vitamin C, all that. Okay guys, so I got my chilled glass over here, and now I'm gonna just pour my Energizer juice into the glass. Add a straw and taste. This Energizer juice, it's so delicious, tastes so smooth, so clean, and trust me, this will give you a boost in the morning. Guys, this is so delicious. Let me know if you try this recipe. I guarantee this is something you're gonna be doing over and over. As my granny used to say, I saw food for taste.